Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the yen pairs are turning down pretty hard. They're not doing it at a Fibonacci level, which is a big concern that this move down is still probably just a pullback within an uptrend. And I can't help but notice that this is three waves up right here. So we may actually be in like a double three pattern, three waves down, three waves up, and now we might be like five waves down maybe to fill the gap for a wave C, and then possibly back up to hit these higher time frame fib levels. If the daily time frame does close, bearish engulfing down like that with a breaker structure, I definitely will start looking for longs on pullbacks over the next few days for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would be a little bit careful with trying to go short right now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right here. I would also be a little bit careful with my longs, but if it does go up, if it does give you like a nice break of structure, there's still a slight chance that this is like an expanding ABC. And if it is an expanding ABC, it will give you a break of structure that will give you the continuation of the uptrend. Probably what's more likely going to happen is it's probably going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs in that 335 pattern that I was showing on the daily time frame. So, like I said, for me personally, I'm either going to wait for the daily to close, engulfing down, and then start looking for shorts starting tomorrow. Or if it does decide to, turn back up aggressively and break structure to the upside, it could be worth trying to take a long. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.